Here this question is asking, determine the floating point, sine bit, mantissa, and exponent of the following numbers. And here we have some fraction numbers. Now let's see how we can find out the sine bit, mantissa, and exponent for this. Sine bit is straightforward because this is a positive number. So let's do the A part. So sine bit, for the sine bit we just put 0 because this is a positive number. And then for the mantissa and the exponent, we had to do the conversion of this one into binary. So I take this number that is 0. Let's do it here, 0.76171875, and I keep on multiply this until I get 0.00 situation. So here if I multiply this by 2, I get 1.5 2 3 4 3 7 5. Here we have 1 in front, so we put that one right here, and then we bring the values up to the decimal point, that is 0.5234375, and we multiply that one by 2. That gives us 1.046875, and here also 1 in front of the decimal point, we put that one right here, and then we grab the values after decimal point, that is 0.046875, multiply that one by 2, that gives us 0.09375, and here we have 0 in front, so we put that one right here, and then we grab this value 0.09375, multiply by 2, that gives us 0.1875. Here we have 0 in front, we put that one right here, and then 0.1875 multiply by 2, that gives us 0.375, and here we have 0 in front, put that one right here, and then 0.375 multiply by 2, that gives us 0.75, and here also 0 in front, so we put that one right here, and 0.75 multiply by 2, that gives us 1.5. Here we have 1 in front, so we put it right here, and then value after decimal point is 0.5, multiply that one by 2, and we get 1.00. Once we get 1.00 situation, we stop there and we write the binary value. Here we have to read it from top to bottom for the fractional numbers. So this is 11000011. This is the binary value. Now the exponent. Okay, so here we just converted the decimal, fractional value, so there's going to be a point in front of all of these what we found out. So if I want to make this one, like, think in terms of scientific notation, we have to just have one digit in front and the other things should be behind. So I had to move this decimal point to this place. If I do that, that is just 1, right? 1 to the, if you move to the left, that's positive exponent. If you move to the right, that's negative exponent. So this exponent is going to be -1 because we just move 1 to the right. And after we move that, we are going to have 1.1000011, and if we convert this one into decimal, that is going to be our mantissa. So here this is at 2 power 0 sort of location, so that's going to be 1, and this one is at 2 power -1, that is 1/2, and then this is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So 2 power -6 and 2 power -7 has 1. 2 power -6 equivalent to 1/64. 2 power -7 is equivalent to 1/128. And if you calculate them, that's gonna give you 1.5234375. Okay, here we have how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here they have mentioned this a floating point. So when we express a floating point in decimal, we have to give 16 digits. So here 8 is already gone, so 8 more. To get 8 more, I fill this one with zeros. Put 8 more zeros. So since I don't have any more space, I put the rest of the zeros here. Okay. Okay, so that's the A part. Now let's look at the B part. In the B part, we have 0.8789, 0.8789, 0625. Since this is a positive value, sign bit is going to be 0. Okay. Now we had to figure out what is the mantissa and the exponent. To find that one out, we have to convert this one into binary. To convert this one into binary, we just keep on multiplying until we get 0.0000. So 0.87890625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.7578125, and here we have 1 in front, and then we grab this 0.7578125 and then multiply that one by 2, that gives us 1.046875, and then not this. Okay, if we multiply 0.7578125 by 2, that gives us 1.515625, and here we have 1 in front, we put it right here, and the values after decimal point is 0.515625, multiply that one by 2, that gives us 1.03125, and here we have 1 in front, so we put it right there, and then 0.03125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.0625, and here we have 0 in front, and then 0.0625 multiplied by 2, that is 0.125, here we have 0 in front, and 0.125 multiplied by 2, that is 0.25, 0 in front, 0.25 multiplied by 2, that is 0.50, 0 in front, 0.50 multiplied by 2, that is 1.00, 1 in front. Now we read from top to bottom. So this is 111000001, and we know that there's going to be a decimal point in front because we are converting a fraction number. So there's a decimal point, and if I move this one to here, I had to just move 1 unit, like 1 in front of a 1. Like for example, if you have 0 0 1, then I had, like, let's say point decimal points here, I had to move 1 2 3 like that. Okay, but here I don't have any zeros in front, so it's just being just 1. Okay, so for this one also exponent is -1 because I move 1 unit to the right. எழுதி போட்டிருக்கா அவ யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. வெயிட் பண்ணுங்கம்மா, அவங்க ஏதோ ரிப்பேர் பண்ண அவங்களுக்கு. நீங்கள் என்ன அவ்வளோ அவசரமா? ம் Okay, so here this 1 is at 2 power 0 location right now, so this is 1 plus, and here we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 as well, and this is -1 -2, we taking care of these two things, and -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. At -7 we have 1, that is 1 over 2 power 2 power -7, so that is 1 over 2 power 7. 2 power 7 is 128, So this is going to be like this. And if you convert this one into, if you calculate this, you're going to get 1.7578125, and this is totally 8 digits, and we need to fill out 8 more digits because we need to give 16 digits for the floating point. So 8 is already gone. To fill out 8 more, I put 0. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this is our mantissa. Okay, now let's look at the C part. For the C part, I grab this number 0.0507, 0.0507, 8125. This is a positive number, so the sign bit is going to be 0. And to find out the exponent and mantissa, I had to convert this one into binary. To convert it into binary, I keep on multiplying by 2. So 0.0507 8125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.1015625, and here we have 0 in front, and then 0.1015625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.203125, and here also 0 in front, so we put that one right there, and then 0.203125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.40625, and again 0 in front, and then 0.40625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.8125, 0 in front, and then 0.8125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.625, and here we have 1 in front, and 0.625 multiplied by 2, that gives 1.25, 1 in front, and then 0.25 multiplied by 2, that is 0.50, here 0 in front, and then 0.50 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.00. So once we get 1.00 situation, we stop right there and we read from top to bottom, and this is 0.0001101, and we know that since we are converting a fraction into this, there's a decimal point right there, and now I want to find out the exponent. To find out the exponent, I had to move this point after a 1, so 1 2 3 4 5, so I had to move 5 units to the right to reach this place, so the exponent is going to be -5. Okay, once I move that, this is going to be 1.101. Then now I had to convert this one into decimal, so this one is at 2 power 0 location, so that's 1, and then this is at 2 power -1 location, that is 1/2. -2 doesn't have anything, -3 has a 1, so that's 1/8. Okay, and if you calculate this one, that's going to give you 1.625. 4 digit is gone, and this is a floating point, we have to express in 16 digit decimal, so 4 digit is gone, we need to put 12 more digits, so I fill up that one with zeros. Okay, so this is our mantissa, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.